Welcome to Sparklebox! Are you curious to learn robotics or want to try some new science experiments? Then you must definitely visit our website mysparklebox.com. You'll find a number of interesting and engaging activity kits over there. You can also find the website link in the description below. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple and interesting frog painting. The materials required are A4 size black sheet, painting colors, painting brush, scissors and pencil. Let's take a black A4 sheet and draw a circle on it and fill it. The bottom part of the circle. Let's draw two frogs on the sheet. simple kids, you can give it a try yourself and share your work with us in our Instagram accounts. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Let's stay safe at home and learn something new every day with Sparklebox. See you with another interesting DIY. Until then, bye-bye.